Hello, and today I'm going to show you how you can use your local large language models from Ollama with VS Code Copilot. I'm going to show this on VS Code Insider's version, but normal VS Code would suit too. First of all, power up your Ollama service in the background so VS Code is able to connect to it. After your Ollama service is running in the background, you can switch to VS Code and add new models from your chat side panel. Right-click on your model selection drop-down and from it select Manage Language Models Settings. After you clicked it, you will be able to add new model providers. And for this, we are going to choose Ollama. Everything else you can leave by default, and default port for Ollama is 11434. And after you added this model provider, it automatically pulls up all your installed models and shows you which models are capable of what. For example, we can see that our fee model is capable for using tools, and so others capable of doing so. After you added your language model configuration, you can now choose it from model selector dropdown. For this, we are going to use already installed V4 mini model because it's fast and able to use tools. And I'm going to ask it to write simple script. It's worth noting that from first prompt your model may load a little bit too long because some of these chats have big system prompts. As you can see, this model works pretty fast for local, and it has reasoning, which is major pro.